All right, my people, welcome back onto this one Yoruba Nation. No going back. Exactly what the people are talking about and exactly what it is. Well, my people, wonders shall never end. With the news reaching us right now, it says Ashiri Shoyekoribe T2. A lot of people be like, waiting happen again. Well, a lot of things are happening. Then you will hear everything for yourselves. My brother, my sister, no be smart, you know. Right now, it has been exposed. Shoyekoribe has been exposed. When I was listening to that voice audio, I was surprised that but what is happening? And these are the set of people that were of the opinion that don't collect money from politicians, don't sell the Yoruba people to politicians, and they let us focus on actualizing Yoruba nation. Not knowing that this set of people they are doing business. My brother, my sister, you will not understand. They are doing business in this Yoruba nation movement. And right now, what is going on? Exactly. Right now, Shoyekoribe's former coordinator, his name he called his name, okay, his name is Mr. Daramola. My brother, my sister, no be small something, no. Mr. Daramola finally released a voice note about how Shoyekoribe has been collecting money from people of late, that she will collect money from Yoruba people and give them position. And according to this man, he made it clear that Shoyekoribe, with that her name that she's bearing, in fact, she's not supposed to be doing what she's doing. Oyekoribe, nǹkan tó ń ṣe, All right, and then what are those things? Well, before I proceed, just hear this before I continue with more analysis. All right, my people. Well, in case you did not hear that audio clearly, according to what this man just said right now, he said, as if you want to join the group of Shoyekoribe, that for you to be president of that group, you will pay, that the president of that group paid 250,000 naira, while the deputy paid 150,000 naira. Shoyekoribe. This is the same Yoruba nation that has not been achieved, has not been actualized, but some set of people, all in the name of they are fighting to get Yoruba nation, they are making their own money. And they are not just ordinary people. These are the people that will tell you, no, 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 we must not collect money from politicians. We must not come to this place because of the money. That they are not doing it because of the money, but they are doing it because of the love they have for Yoruba people. Not knowing that they are doing it because of the love they have for money and for themselves and their children. My brother, my sister, Shoyekoribe, this is too bad, my people. Why should this be happening? It's so unfortunate that you cannot trust any human being. That's exactly what it is. That's exactly what it is. No wonder they have been talking about the interim, and all that they have gathered themselves. The people that want to work have filled form. So this is the form they filled by paying to join. Why? Why should it be like that? You must have heard that. According to what that man had said, yes, his name is Mr. Daramola. He said he happens to be the coordinator for Shoyekoribe in Libya. That's serious. Where by the same Yoruba nation that everybody is shouting has not even been actualized. But for anybody to join your group, you will collect 250,000 naira to be the president. Then, according to what this man had narrated, he said 150,000 naira is for deputy president in that same group that they organized for Yoruba Nation movement actualization. All right, my people, maybe you don't understand. Now, this thing has now generated a lot of reactions on social media. A lot of people are now like, so This is to tell you that this set of people, not that they have the feelings or the love of Yoruba nation at heart. That is why they are doing Yoruba nation and shouting. No, but the major reason why they are there is because they are making money from it. And these are the set of people that will come out to tell you that some people are collecting money from politicians. They are doing this, they are doing that. Now, a lot of people are now like, no wonder they actually organize their own interim government. No, you hear that they have interim government, they have gotten all their escorts. That so this exactly is what they are doing. They are actually making their own money. And then this man actually exposed a lot of things. He exposed a lot of things that Shoyekoribe in every position in our group, she collect money. Before you can join the group, you will pay. If you want any position, you will pay, just like that man had rightly said. And then this same man made mention of the fact that they contributed a lot of money in that group. That there was this money they contributed for thousands of face caps of Yoruba nation to be sent to Libya. No, being the coordinator, he had all the knowledge of this. And then these face caps were in thousands. That a lot of people contributed money for her, she did not deliver. And a lot of t-shirts also were printed for this same group to be sent to Libya from Nigeria. And then another one he talked about was the fact that a lot of people contributed money all over the world to same Shoyekoribe from America, people group from Dubai, Russia, Libya, Turkey, UK, Spain. In fact, according to this man, he said the name of the coordinator in Spain is Mr. Kolapo. That all these people will know that he is not lying. And then he said the one they now did that actually now busted my brother, my sister, was the one they contributed some money for Okada. You know, this Okada stuff that they contributed money for, that they were supposed to bring to Chief Sunday Igboho's house so that they can give them to the warriors to be able to do their thing. You understand? To assist the warriors so that at least our women, our fathers and the daughters and brothers will be able to go to farm peacefully, at least just for security reasons. That unfortunately that was when they invaded Chief Sunday Igboho's house. That till date they did not know what Shoyekoribe did with that money. But the only thing she told them was she transferred the money to Chief Sunday Igboho's wife. Then that was when Chief Sunday Igboho was actually in detention, that she sent the money to Chief Sunday Igboho's house. And a lot of people are now like, oh, maybe that was the same 500,000 naira she was actually talking about, that she sent money to Chief Sunday Igboho's house when Chief Sunday Igboho was broke, not knowing that it was even the Okada money she actually sent. And then, of which, if you were actually following the trend, then a lot of people came out angrily that what is the meaning of that? Why are you trying to belittle our Chief Sunday Igboho? Chief Sunday Igboho that you are saying is not a smello. Is not an hungry man. And then what is 500,000? Then a lot of people came out. In fact, people were just calling, tell her to send her account details, we will return those money to her. What is the meaning of that? What sort of insult is that? Right now, my brother, my sister, Ashiri done to even that same money where she says she sent, no be her money, now still Yoruba Nation movement money. And a lot of people are now like, no wonder no wonder they brought themselves together, that they must come out with their own group and their interim government. In fact, to the extent they were of the opinion that they have chosen their interim government, not knowing that all these people that they chose actually paid for each of the position. Then Shoyekoribe, that's what people are saying. And then you say your name is Shoyekoribe, but what you are doing is against the name. And a lot of people are now like, no wonder Everybody has been begging this woman, forgive Professor Banji Akintoye. She says, no, lie, I will not forgive, no going back. Not knowing that they have their plans. Hey, Baba God, now your hand will deal. Well, exactly what is reaching us on our table, and then I just like let my people understand, though, so that we can caution ourselves. My brother, my sister, Yoruba nation, no going back, and exactly what it is. All right, my people, what more can we say onto this? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.